Bionic reading using font weights to increase reading speed. Ooh.
I thought this was actually pretty.
You're talking about
ingenious.
efficiency hacks?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm supposed to see if I can read the one on the right faster than the left. And that's because certain portions they're not highlighted, they're bold in order to enhance their appearance.
So like bionic reading, the first two words, bio and read are
All you need to know.
bold.
Yeah.
Yeah. And your brain is supposed to kind of make up the rest
Yeah.
to form the sentence.
Yeah, and when they talk about reading, they say you're like at a really high speed, you're not actually reading the word. You're just so familiar with the formations and shapes of words that you're just reading the shapes, the high points and low points and such. All right, let me try the first one. This is reading as before. This is plain old-fashioned reading. Bionic reading is a new method facilitating the reading process by guiding the eyes through text with artificial fixation points. As a result, the reader is only focusing on the highlighted initial letters and lets the brain center complete the word. In a digital world dominated by shallow forms of reading, bionic reading aims to encourage a more in-depth reading and understanding of written content. That's non-bionic reading. However, I think that the true advantage here is reading not out loud, because I don't think a person can read fast. I mean, without speaking incredibly fast.
Yeah, but you're a rapper, so
That's right. I think that actually might have been rapping. I don't even know if I was reading there.
Somebody put a beat under.
Let me see if this is actually easier, though. Bionic reading is a new method facilitating the reading process by guiding the eyes through text and artificial fixation points. As a result, the reader is only focusing on highlighted initial letters and lets the brain center complete the word. In a digital world dominated by shallow forms of reading, bionic reading aims to encourage a more in-depth reading and understanding of the written content. You know what? Actually, I think it is easier.
it does work, right?
I think it works, and I think if it were in my head, obviously I'm reading out loud because we're on a show right now, but I think if I was reading in my head, it would be less fatigue and I would be reading through it faster.
So this Reddit post got many awards.
Yes, there's like cash and flames and
to showcase that it does work, like even in the comments, and the audience can try for themselves.
Yeah, you can go check this out. Actually, they can just do it. You can just make the thing big, and they can just do it right here, right now.
I did, yeah.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
So you felt like they've already effectively tried it.
Yeah.
Here you go. You try it yourself. I'm going to try in my head. Oh, God, yeah. Oh, God, yeah. It's way faster.
Right?
I can read an entire... So what, can I get books like this now? Can I get the bionic reading version of it?
Dude, they totally should.
It probably exists, I would assume. No?
Maybe not the main books. Like the...
But even like textbooks and...
Textbooks,
I'm sure you can get like PDF versions of books like this.
Someone says, I already read the text once, which that probably did influence me. The fact that I read the old school reading and then someone else says Lou is reading Rap God, the Rap God of reading.
Right.
I don't know if you knew that, Mo.
I think he's making a reference to the Eminem track.
I believe he is.
Yeah.
I believe you might be correct on that. Shout out, Brevin. Appreciate the super chat. You tell me to say, I say. Yeah, I agree.